Okay, I'll be teaching you guys how to place an example. Well, place a transfer onto something. But I use the word example, so right now I'll be peeling it away from the transfer paper. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm peeling it. Always, the words are always going to stick to the clear side so you can transfer it to an object like glass or something. Okay, I'll show you how it looks. Example. Then you want to place it on there carefully. This example, I'm trying to make it straight, but it's for a video. So also you get a card. You just press it against it to get all the words to stick on the item. Okay. Now here's the process: is to peel away. It's hard to like peel this side of it, so I know the angle is hard for the camera, but my camera stand is kind of messed up. So you see I'm peeling it, and also when you peel it, you gotta lean against it while you peel, so you won't let the letters like fall apart, you know. 1 second. So you lean your hand against it. I don't know, it's weird there, but lean your hand against it while you pull. So the words are like, it's like you gotta press and pull at the same time. Press and pull. Okay, here it goes. Example. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Please share.